Hi, I'm Joey. I'm one of the makeup artists here at Abracadabra NYC. We've been getting many questions about how to apply our costume teeth as well as the thermoplastic beads that help you attach them, and I will be showing you how to do so today. So these teeth already come with thermoplastic beads, which are small plastic pellets that you put in hot water. First, open your packet and place your beads inside of your cup of hot water and wait until they turn from a white opaque color into a translucent clear color. Make sure the plastic isn't too hot when touching or you can burn your fingers. I like to use a fork just to be safe. And mold them into a small circular sphere. Then place that sphere inside of the tooth, apply it to a dry canine tooth or any other of your preference, and wait for it to dry. After letting them dry, you'll have a perfectly molded set of vampire teeth that fit your own teeth. You can take them in and out anytime, and there is no adhesive required. Thank you so much for watching our quick tutorial. Let us know if there are any other looks or products you'd like to see us try out. In the meantime, make sure to like and subscribe, as well as hitting that little bell below to get any notifications on future videos, and we hope to see you soon.